How are you all? I'm so happy and can share that every time 5 minutes from my experience how I work on to rejuvenate my body and health and the face. And this spot I loved it. And this time I'm gonna be introduce you some technique to enhance your energy. Everybody talk about energy and about my energy, how I get the energy. Now I'm just started very simple enhance energy. Okay, so first of all, rub your hand or even clapping your hand as hard as you can. Shake away after that, and you already stimulate the nerve ending and the blood flow to the tip of your fingers. Yeah, and you feel that if you close your eyes, you can feel the accelerated blood flow, the circulations, and that you feel dun 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 dun. Okay, next you breathing in and breathing out laterally, obviously. And straight away, I did teach how to breathing in. Check some other clip. Go in all the way, not the shadow chest breathing. It's into your low abdomen, what we call the central battery, a dantian. So breathing in all the way, inflated and deflated. Okay. So after that, you open your arm, enhance energy. Okay, the earth energy, the universe energy, the sky, and pass it to your body. Like the photosynthesis, turn yourself as like a tree. Okay. Next, breathing in, and you gently open your palms. The height about your middle dantian, so it's up in your chest. Yeah. Inhale, as big as your shoulder, not too wide and not too close. Yeah. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. The speed of the breathing in and out is harmony as your palm breathing in open, and harmony actually breathing out at the same time. Mouth. So in, out. About a few times, 9 times, you turn your palm circle in a different direction. Okay? Opposite direction, but not too far away. Still really in touch of the movement with both palms. Synchronizing, isn't it? And then breathing out at the same time, moving. Once again now. Inhale, exhale. And inhale, exhale. 9 times. And change, turn the ball as you're thinking you are actually holding a ball at the same size of your shoulder width or whatever. Turn the ball upside down, and then again squeeze the ball as imagine you have a ball, and try to squeeze the ball, and the ball is elastic. Don't worry, it won't pop. Inhale, the invisible ball there between your palm. Exhale, squeeze it gently, and inhale, exhale, turn the ball. Again, inhale, exhale, gently squeeze the ball, and don't touch your palm together, and tie this a little bit more, and from that point you gently pause, and you feel a bit of pulling sensation. Turn back the palm together, and then feel this event. It seems really you have a ball between your palm. A gentle, feel it, and close your eyes while you're doing that, and then squeeze a bit more and pulling out, inflated and deflated, and you feel it's start noted your fingers have some lumpiness or tingling, that is the energy of curve. If you can't feel it, it doesn't matter practicing more. If you can feel it, hey, congratulations, you've done it. Well done, you're a fast learner. Let me know how you feel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.